A millionaire was walking through the streets when a beggar called out to him. But instead of asking for money, he asked a strange question. "Can you teach me how to earn what you earn?" What happened next changed both their lives. This is a true story, one that proves your mindset is more powerful than your circumstances. In the bustling city of Mumbai, businessman Raj Malhotra stepped out of his BMW. As he waited near a tea stall, a frail beggar approached him. Dusty clothes, bare feet, but there was something different in his eyes, not desperation, but curiosity. "Sir," he said softly, "I don't want your money. I want your mindset." Raj was taken aback. He had never heard such words from someone in rags. Raj looked at him and replied, "If you're serious, meet me here tomorrow at 6 a.m. The next morning, the beggar was there. Raj gave him one task. "Clean this street corner, every day. I'll come by to see." The beggar hesitated, but then nodded. Days turned into weeks. Every day, the beggar cleaned that corner. Passers-by began to notice. Some started offering him small jobs, washing bikes, delivering parcels. Raj watched from afar. He never gave money, just guidance. One day, Raj sat beside him. "You've earned people's trust. That's more valuable than coins." He handed him a small investment, 500 rupees. "Start a tea stall," Raj said. "I'll help design the board." And so, Umeed Ki Chai, Hope's Tea, was born. The tea stall became popular, not for the tea, but for the story behind it. The beggar-turned-entrepreneur hired 2 more boys from the street. He was now teaching them what he had learned. The millionaire smiled. "You've become richer than most people I know," he said, "not in wealth, but in impact." Today, the man once known as a beggar owns 3 stalls, supports orphan education, and never begs. The secret wasn't charity. It was one decision: to ask the right question.